Creating email alerts in Splunk involves defining a search query, configuring the alert conditions, and setting up email notifications. Here's how to do it. Access Splunk Search. Log into your Splunk instance and navigate to the Search and Reporting app. Create a search query. In the search bar, enter a search query that identifies the event or condition you want to monitor. For example, to monitor failed login attempts, type the following. Run the search. Run the search to ensure it returns the expected results. Save as alert. Click on the Save as drop-down button above the search results and select Alert. Configure alert settings. Title. Provide a name for your alert. Description. Optionally, add the description. Alert type. Choose how often the alert should be triggered. Scheduled. Runs at specified intervals. Real time. Triggers as soon as the condition is met. Trigger conditions. Set the condition under which the alert should trigger, such as number of results is more than 0. Set alert actions. Under Add Actions, select Send Email. Configure the email settings. 2. Enter the email address to send the alert to. Subject. Customize the email subject. Message. Optionally, add a custom message. Include an email. Choose to include search results, link to results, or inline results in the email. SMTP settings. Ensure your Splunk instance is configured with the correct SMTP settings under Settings, Server Settings, Email Settings. Review and save. Review all settings and click Save to create the alert.